Hey guys, it's Shropa here. Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you how to make your Forge mod part 2. Alright, so let's get into the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make items with your mod. So first, we can start by creating a new package called items. We then can make a new Java class called items handler. Alright, we then can create a public static final, deferred register, deferred register item, and hover over it, alt enter, make sure you import that.minecraft.item.item, and you can call this items. We can set that to another deferred register. This time we're going to do .create forge registries.items. And I think no, we didn't. Alright. Inside st, we can create a public static final, and this will be our mod ID. Oh yeah, string goes first. ID is equal to st. Alright, so then it can be rt dot, no, it's st dot mod ID. Alright, so now since you have done that, I guess we can probably, oh yeah, so create a public register. Is it acquire an IEventBus? And this will just be forgot to add the void. Alright, so then we can do items dot register. And then we can pass in the event bus. Okay, and then I guess we can go here and type in items handler. And I guess we can just set a new variable. So this will be a IEventBus. EventBus is equal to FML loading context dot get mod event bus, and we can even set it here because it's good practice to not keep on reusing the same code, so therefore we add a variable. Alright, so then we do this and we pass in the event bus. That's how it works. Oh, first we actually have to call the method, and then EventBus. Okay, so then Control S or do save all. Alright, so then we can actually make the item by doing public static final registry object item. And then I guess we can have maybe I guess I'll do 10. So this will, okay, so I guess this will just equal 10. Alright. Equals, and then items dot register. This will just be called this will be the name of your item. Make sure it's all lowercase, then comma, parentheses, and then you would type in new item dot properties dot group And then also, if you don't see this, by the way, if it gives you an error right here, then you probably didn't check or change your mappings. So I would recommend going and clicking on the card if you didn't. So yeah, because if you go to mod toml, I think it didn't build up. Yeah, so here. Then yeah, mappings. I'll even put this in the description so that you guys can do that. And then I'm going to do item group dot and then miscellaneous tab. And then we technically have our item. So, well, first we have to add the textures first. So do assets and then your mod ID. So this is very important that you have assets named as I have it, and then make sure it's your mod ID. We then can create block states. That'll be for our blocks we're gonna add later in the mod. We also can make a folder called models and textures. So in our models folder, we can add a new directory and call this items. And then same thing in the textures folder. Okay, you can even create another one. This will be called blocks, and the same thing inside textures. Alright, so inside our items folder, we can create a file, and then call this 10 underscore or .json. Make sure it's the same as your item. So in my case, it's going to be 10. And then you can do parent, and then item / generated. Make sure you also have a comma if you're adding another entry or something. Alright, and then you want to do textures, player 1 or player 0, sorry. And then you want to do items, and then or st items /10. That's what it is. Alright. So then we can create a new art. So I guess I'll leave this in the description so that you guys can download following with the tutorial. Also, if you don't know how to make art, I guess I'll show you, because why not? Alright, so we can just create a 16 by 16 pixel canvas. We're also going to be using paint.net for this, because I think it's a lot easier than Adobe Photoshop with pixels and stuff. Alright, and then this will be 10. So I guess maybe make it like this. Also, while you're creating it, make sure it's 2 blocks up so it looks like a regular Minecraft item. I know this looks nothing like 10, but it's fine because it's just going to be a tutorial. So I'm just gonna make random stuff. Oh, also make sure anti-aliasing is disabled. And make sure you select your canvas and click delete for your background. And I just realized I'll delete that. Okay, well, guess I'll just redesign it. It doesn't have to look perfect, for me at least, because it's just a tutorial. It's gonna full zoom. Okay, we can add click more to have like more features and stuff. I'm just just adding like random, like just random lines. Okay, so that'll be our texture. So then click File and then Save As. So that I'll do that real quick. So okay, so now I'm gonna drag the tin onto the textures folder. So make sure it's called tin, exactly what you named for the items. Alright, so if we just save, or we save all, it should work and it should give us an item. Alright, so now I'm in. You see we have tutorial, and let's just create a new world. It's called mod test creative. Alright. So now we just wait until it generates and stuff. Alright. So we put this in the miscellaneous tab, so go there, and we got tin, but it's not textured, so let's fix that. So I think I did something wrong. Alright, try this again. Answer back in, just gonna load up the world real quick. As you can see, we do not have a texture, so alright, I'm just gonna fix this real quick again. Like I said, I started like 6 days ago, so yeah, just try again. Alright, so I found out a mistake I did. I accidentally add an S to this. I'm just gonna rename it so that it's all that. Okay, so now, if we just play. Alright, so now it should work, and there it is. We have our tin working perfectly, but as you can see, it says items.st.tin, and you're like, what does that mean? Well, if we just exit out the game real quick, and I promise this will be a lot faster, because what I'm doing, and it's actually really easy to step. Alright, so first type in items or item.st dot and then your name, so .tin, and then this will just be called tin. So it's like two names, but you're translating it. So that's what it will look like in game, but it will transfer that to there. So okay, so now it should work, and it shouldn't give that weird string. Alright, so as you can see, it says tin instead of items.st.tin, and just instead it says just dot or just tin. Alright, so we even got our texture on it, which means it works perfectly. In the next episode, we're going to be working on creative tabs up there. It's going to be pretty sick. So yeah, anyways guys, hope you liked and enjoy. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want. And yeah.